Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Welcome back to my Halloween food series. Today we're going to be making Monster Ice sugar cookies. Okay guys, so what comes in the package is 1 package of the orange sugar cookie mix, 1 package of the pink sugar cookie mix, 1 package of the green sugar cookie mix, and also candy eyes. It also calls for 6 tablespoons softened of unsalted sweet cream butter, and also 6 tablespoons of water. Okay guys, I have all of my sugar cookie packages divided into different bowls, and also our softened butter, 2 tablespoons each, and 2 tablespoons of water each, and also our candy eyes. Okay, I'm going to start with the pink. So I'm just going to put our softened butter in, and the 2 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to mix it until everything is combined. Okay guys, once the sugar cookie dough is ready, I'm going to scoop it out, and I'm going to place it onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay guys, I have my cookie dough on the cookie sheet. It looks like each package is going to make 4 cookies apiece. Okay guys, I'm just going to repeat the process. Okay guys, instead of 4 of each, I'm going to be making 6 of each. Okay guys, now for our last one. Okay guys, I was able to make 18 sugar cookies. So now they're ready to go in our oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, our sugar cookies are done. So now we're going to place the little candy eyes. We're going to be careful because they're hot. We got to place them in while the cookies are hot. Okay guys, once you placed all your candy eyes on, we're going to let them cool completely before we put them on the plate. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Monster Ice sugar cookies. A nice little treat for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Happy Halloween.